Welcome to Lesson 5. In this lesson, I'll share with you how to optimize your website to be found on Google. In the last lesson, I taught you how to add a domain name to your website. Doing so required a paid subscription. That subscription included your site submitted to Google. But submitting your site to Google is just the first step to being discovered online. To rank well when people search Google, you must optimize your site content. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to do that. Log into your account and follow along. Select the site to optimize. Open the page editor and let's begin optimizing some pages. Click the pages icon on the sidebar. Click on the home page. Before optimizing, you should think about the keywords someone would use to find your products, services, and information. If you need help, do a search for the Google Keyword Planner. Google's Keyword Planner can help you discover keywords. We're going to focus on the section labeled Page SEO. The first field is the title. The information entered here appears in the browser tab, and Google uses it for the bold part of their search results. Your goal should be to write a title that's short, sweet, relevant, and if possible, uses one of your keywords. In the keywords field, you're going to enter up to a dozen keywords people would use to find the content on this page. The description field should contain a couple of paragraphs about the content on your page, ideally using some of your keywords in a natural way. The description is what Google displays below the bold title in their search results. When you're ready, click the button labeled Update and be sure to save your changes. Once you've updated your page information, be sure to include your keywords in a natural way in the body of your pages. Take your optimization further by assigning alt tags to your images. Select an image and click the settings cog. There you can give your image a title and alt text. That's a short blurb of text that describes the image. Once again, save and publish your changes. Google likes sites that regularly post relevant content. An easy way to do that is to add a blog to your site, which I'll cover in the next lesson. That's it for this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And be sure to leave your comments and questions below.